You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, and there is another word which is spelled with an O here, which has a different pronunciation. So if you want to learn the difference, I'll link to the video for you at the end. But this one is pronounced confirm. So you have two slightly different pronunciations. British English, confirm, confirm. You have an schwa sound, it's an sound, confirm. The Americans, the US pronunciation, American pronunciation is confirm. Confirm, American English, or confirm, British English. More videos for you here, very interesting ones. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.